man.
Yeah, just like that. Like that, eh?
What the heck?
Pinsan niya nung Canadian cow.
At the roundabout, take the third exit on D817 toward Lourdes.
Hindi niya makita yung location namin. Yan, kuya!
Brother.
In 800 feet. At the roundabout, take the second exit on Avenue General Baron Maranzan. In a quarter of a mile, turn right on Rue de la Grotte. In 800 feet.
So finally, nandito na kami sa hotel and ito yung hallway nila papasok. Ang hotel namin ay Belfry or Belfry. It's a beautiful hotel. Okay na, nag-alit na.
We'll go see the room first and then we can ask for the bags to be carried. Okay?
Thank you. So we can come until around 10:30 tonight. What's the reservation tomorrow? Tomorrow, okay. And we have different shifts. So from 10 to lunchtime, it's only the swimming pool. And in the afternoon, you have as well the sauna, hammam, and jacuzzi. Jacuzzi, the sauna. Is it?
Okay, room tour naman tayo. Dito ako pumasok. So ito yung entrance. Simpleng-simple lang siya. Ganyan lang siya. So sa right side, yan yung kanyang CR. May tao ngayon. And then left side, ang kanyang bathroom. Ganda. Okay. Tapos meron ditong shower. And then dito Dito yung bed. Tapos may corner for coffee. Yan, may Nespresso sila. Okay. Yung aircon gumainit. Simpleng-simple. And then outside, matatunaw mo. Tingnan natin yan mamaya. And then may table dyan. Tapos may fridge. Tapos dito lalagay yung maleta. Tapos may dalawang robe. Tapos meron silang flip-flops. If you wanna use the spa. Mga chair nila luma na o talagang parang Victorian style. Yan, dito tayo. Pwedeng buksan ang kanilang bintana. Ayan. Ang view. Sweets for us. Ito yung mga kanilang room service. Yes? Tinawag na ako for dinner kasi we have a reservation dito sa hotel. And syempre, we ordered the best champagne. We are in France. We should try this, diba? And hindi na ako masyado nakakuha ng video dito sa loob ng restaurant kasi medyo formal siya at maraming tao.
Video.